Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends here and abroad. It is Mark here in the Fan Cave. It's August 20, I believe it's the 25th, 2026. It's a Monday anyway. And this here is a Envirofan. It's actually a Northwest Envirofan from 2004. One of the blades is bent, so it's going to wobble a bit. I just have it hitched up to a power strip because it has a regular conventional 3-prong plug. So yeah, it does wobble a bit because of the blade. There's also a scrape on one of the blades. I don't remember the origin of this fan. I've acquired so many of these newer gold lines over the years. I can't remember where I got this one in particular. But it does have the sticker. It's starting to peel off. I'll show you that once it stops spinning. I prefer the older gold lines myself, the 79 style and the 85 style, but I mean, this is basically a smaller version of the 85 type, but I still think they're great fans. I mean, I love gold lines. One of my favorite ceiling fans of all time. Yeah, it seems to wobble a lot more at the slower speeds. This big stripe right there where don't know what happened to those blades, but yeah, definitely there's some sort of a mishap prior to my acquisition of it. So yeah, take a look up here. You've got the Envirofan logo. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck. Always be kind.